Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fold quick and easy this portable shower or bathroom. This one is from Rhino USA. Some of the easy way will be put it flat and lay on the ground. Some of them have the logo on the top. If they don't have a logo of the brand, just focus on where the zippers end. Easiest way will be grab it from the bottom. I always put my foot here and then come all the way where the zippers end or where the logo is, whatever you want to focus. Okay, just push it here and you're gonna see how this one start to coming up. It's easy. You push it and push another one. That's it. Some people start fighting with this one, or they don't want to use it because they say, oh, it's too hard to fold it. That's it. In less than a minute you can fold it, and then you just grab the pouch and just put it inside the pouch, and that's it. Quick and easy. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment below for any of the product that we have, and we can make another video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned.